Superhero Squad, the quest to save Starlight City. Welcome to Starlight City, where our heroes, Lightning Lad and Wonderwing, keep the skies safe and the streets peaceful. But today, a new challenge arises as the mischievous Puzzle Master threatens to steal the city's light unless someone can solve his tricky challenges. We need your help. Oh no! Puzzle Master has turned off all the lights in Starlight City. Lightning Lad needs to restore power by activating the correct switches. There are 5 switches, each numbered from 1 to 5. Puzzle Master says, turn on the switch that is the sum of 2 plus 2. Which switch should Lightning Lad flip? Yes, it's the one with number 4, Zap. With a flash of bright light, the city sparkles again. Well done. Now, the citizens of Starlight City are no longer in darkness. Next, Puzzle Master has scrambled the colors of the city's traffic lights, causing chaos at the intersections. Wonderwing swoops down to fix them. She finds a clue that says the color at the bottom should be the color of grass. What color should that be? Green. Excellent! Now, Wonderwing needs to fix the top light of the traffic signal. The clue for the top light is, it should stop cars. It's also the color of a ripe strawberry. That's right. The color is red. That only leaves one color. You're so smart, let's move on to the next puzzle. To stop Puzzle Master, our heroes need to find the hidden keys to his puzzle box. The first clue leads them to the city park. Puzzle Master left a math challenge on a scroll. If you add the number of swings in the park to the number of slides, you get a number. What is it? This is a hard one, but I know with your help we can do it. First, let's break down the puzzle. How many swings do you see on your screen? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome, there are 6 swings. Next, let's count the number of slides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the park has 6 swings and 7 slides. What is 6 plus 7? Correct. 6 plus 7 equals 13. The answer leads Lightning Lad and Wonderwing to a hidden spot under the largest tree in the park, where they find a note. The note says, "Meet me at the City Hall." With all the clues solved, our heroes confront Puzzle Master at City Hall. He challenges them to one last task. If you have 2 apples and I give you 2 more, how many apples do you have? 4. Correct. With quick thinking, you've disarmed Puzzle Master's final trick, and he promises to be good. As a token of gratitude, he lights up the city's skyline with a spectacular light show. Thanks to your help, Lightning Lad and Wonderwing have saved the day once again. You used your brain power to solve puzzles and learned along the way. Remember, every problem has a solution, and you can solve anything you set your mind to. Until our next adventure, keep shining bright, young hero.